So Sebo have got a superb reputation for reliability and performance, and they've just brought out some cordless vacuum cleaners. This one here is one particular model of theirs. Comes with the floor stand. This one just comes with a wall bracket. You've got the main spinning head there, illuminated with the LEDs, 3 different power levels, and this one's got a better display there. I don't know if you can see that. It's very informative. Tells you everything you're doing. And it really goes. Obviously you've got your dustbin there, excellent filtration and things like that. That pops back on there. Comes with a small turbo brush for sofas and things like that, hairs. That one comes with an extension hose as well. And as you can see, this model here is very similar, and I'll just show you its little party trick. I thought this was really cool. I just love the way that lights up. So when you're going in after things down by your skirting and places like that, you can actually see where you're going and things like that. It's got a similar display as well there. Again, all controllable again. You can see the power, you hear the power. They're really good. And yeah, they just helped and light. And they help with Sebo's reputation again for being a really high quality vacuum cleaner manufacturer.